The Big Belch by Schatar Sapphira Collier. From the Big Series, Fairy Tales for Everyone, Story number 1. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Norman G. Finley. He spoke so quietly. Whenever he spoke, sound barely came out. In fact, he had one of the tiniest speaking voices in his whole town. Even though his voice was small, every day and sometimes many times a day, he would let out the Big Belch. He didn't do it on purpose. All of a sudden, it would just happen. The Big Belch would surprise everyone around him. It would surprise him too. It made a huge wind, a gigantic sound, and the smell was awful. Every morning he would have a yummy, healthy breakfast.